Have you ever noticed that your legs just don't feel as strong as they used to? Walking, standing up, even climbing stairs, it's not as easy as it once was. This happens to many of us as we get older, and it can make you feel like you're losing a bit of your independence. But here's the good news: you can get your strength and independence back. You don't need to spend hours at the gym or buy expensive supplements. Just a few minutes a day and a simple routine can make a huge difference. At night, before you go to bed, take a few easy steps. Start with some gentle stretches to keep your legs and knees flexible and soft. Then, have a small natural drink or snack that helps your muscles recover while you sleep. This keeps your body active, full of energy, and most importantly, it stops your muscles from weakening. Now, imagine just a few weeks from now, walking will feel easier, standing up and sitting down won't be a struggle, and climbing stairs won't seem scary anymore. Your hands and your whole body will start feeling stronger. This small nightly habit, done consistently, can truly bring your independence back. And it's not just about physical strength. Your confidence will grow, your self-esteem will rise, and you'll start enjoying the little things in life again. Change doesn't happen overnight, but dedicating just a few minutes every day can create noticeable results in just a few weeks. No matter if you're 50, 60, or 70, this approach works at any age. Now it's time to make a choice. Do you want a life where every step feels like a struggle, or a life where you feel strong, active, and independent again? Don't wait. Take just a few minutes tonight to start this simple routine. In a few weeks, you'll see it for yourself. Your independence, your strength, and your energy are back.